اوكي اوكي. الو. لا مش هيدي سلام. مش هيدي سلام. بونجور مش هيدي لا مش هيدي.
بونسوار اليوم نفتح كعجت. يلا.
Because it's yes. بونجور.
اليوم ليش
عملت الكرسي. بونجور. اليوم بدنا
لانه عم نحكي عن الفود بلوجرز.
لانه
وعن الفلوجرز.
الفلوجرز.
ايه فلوجرز فود بلوجرز عنه هلا كثير
فلوجرز. اليوم بدنا نحكي لانه انت صار لك سلام قد ايه صار لك بدك تعملها هيدي؟
6 اشهر.
وقد ايه صار لك عم تجمع غبره؟ 6 اشهر. اوكي.
ونهار.
بقى اليوم بدنا نحكي على DJI
Osmo Mobile 6.
يعني we're not reviewing this, we're reviewing the concept. So it's a smartphone stabilizer which has 3-axis stabilization. It's portable and foldable, built-in extension rod. هذا selfie stick. Easy tutorials and active track مهمة for vloggers. ليه؟ لأنه what is active track سلام؟
تلحقك وين ما بتروح.
Need an intelligent smartphone stabilizer that's as creative as you are?
Sure.
Meet Osmo Mobile 6.
Let's
فيك تصور فيها.
Let's open it. So you have a QR code obviously to get the guide. Who cares? DJI is it's kind of like Apple with their boxings, huh? لأنه it's always pretty nice.
This is to shut you up.
Okay, what do we have here? We have a nice bag. Okay. Yeah, nice bag. Safety guidelines.
Okay, ما بدي.
Cable USB-C.
Okay, we need the USB-C.
Then we have this and this. عزبنا السلام. And this and whatever the fuck this is.
Okay, يلا فينا نبلش نركبها.
And روق لك انت نشيل لكن first of all rip.
ليك
the silencer بتركبه قدامه بيصير يعمل.
اوكي هيدي الترايبود تبعه.
هيدي الترايبود نايس.
ركبها من تحت. يلا كفي الباقي.
خلص خلصوا بس فرجيني شوي ترايبود. Right there is no.
وعندك هول شو هول؟
هول بتحطهم هون I guess تما يزحت.
اوكي يس.
A manual thing here.
اوكي.
So if you turn it on.
من هون كبسة الأون يعني بدي لك كيبس عليها.
And this is a magnetic thing to hold the phone. Hold the phone.
نزع كل شيء.
بيشاري ولا ما بيشاري؟
ما بعرف ليش صاحبي معه انا الزلمه ما بعرف. كل يوم بيقولوا لي خلص وقف بي فريندز وذ خليل. هيز هارمفul. ليك بيكسر كل شيء. ليك شكله. بس انا بقول له لا.
تعرف what I think you didn't turn it on. بس أقول لك شغله.
Keep pressing.
This is record. Okay, look. You gotta do it like this.
Unlock it.
You gotta do it like this to unlock it. Right?
Bravo DJI Mobile 6.
And then this is the magnetic thing which goes here.
Okay.
Put the phone.
Bravo. جيب لي تليفونك. Dance baby.
Okay, hold on. Look.
Exactly.
Look. Okay, let's film.
Let's film ourselves.
Yeah. Okay, hold on. Okay. So you see?
So هلا انت مفكرها stable?
It looks stable.
وين شايفها stable؟
It's green now.
هلا زبطت.
Spin shot.
فر هيك يعني. فر shot.
Let's do this. Can you open this? Fine.
Okay. قوم شوف. It's following you. It's so great. Hey, camera.
I go down. I go up.
Yeah. Keep going down. This is excellent. هذا أحلى feature فيها الصراحة.
And then you can zoom in. No, you can't zoom in or zoom out when
لا
you're locking.
كمان.
Okay. لا, it has a lot of. Stay away. No, it has a lot of nice features. أكيد.
بحط بسرعة عليك. Up.
Switches.
You switch in front or back.
Right, and so here we have the movements.
How much كانت DJI Mobile
This
6.
was about like 250, 300, something like that.
300? Okay, now 200.
Probably. It's a pretty good thing, right? And then you can just remove the phone like this, I guess. And then you can just, when you want to lock it, you just go like this.
And read the manual.
And when you do this, it locks itself, right? And read the manual, and you get a nice bag and get the DJI Osmo Mobile. I mean, get it if you want, but it's pretty cool.
بلا it's used إذا أنت blogger, blogger. بس it's good, it's excellent for vlogging إذا قاعد لحالك لأنه التراكنج كتير بتفرق. إذا عم تعمل تراكنج وأنت عم تحكي وعم تفرجي أغراض أو products كتير مفيدة لهذا الشيء. Plus إذا you're going traveling, it's really nice.
But this is how cool is this? وقت بتفتحها
هيك هيدي معمولة من شو؟ كأنها تيتانيوم.
وقت بتسحب هي it automatically turns on.
So good. We recommend DJI Osmo Mobile 6.
I do recommend DJI.
No, I do recommend.
Okay, we recommend.
So that was the gadget. لأنه هلا جاي صيفية.
Hey,
buy it.
It will track you on the beaches.
Exactly.
On the beaches.
Is
on
it
land,
waterproof?
On the no, of course not.
لا إنه water is مش resistant, proof.
Yes. I don't know. I have no idea. What does it say?
No, it's not. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe. We'll see you next week or maybe in 6 months.
Or exactly, absolutely.
We
never know. Which is good because it's always surprise.
Out there.
Thanks, guys. We'll see you next time. Bye.